In this video, we'll go over how to make sure your board is big enough to house all of your components. After adding components to the PCB, the Properties panel, with nothing selected, will display the total components area. This information is taken from the component properties. It's worth noting that the component area is calculated relative to the courtyard area. It will be accurate only if the courtyard layer is used at the component footprint level. If there is no information on the courtyard layer, the area of the component will be calculated relative to the information stored in the footprint. If you add an area to the courtyard layer in the footprint, the selection area, and therefore the component area, will correspond to this newly defined courtyard area. Also, the density of the board is relative to its current area as specified in the Properties panel. The density is determined as the ratio of the component area to double the board area. It's assumed that if the board is up to 40% full, it can be designed by placing the components on one side. 40 to 60%, the board can be designed by placing elements on both sides. Above 60% is considered to be a board with a high mounting density, or a HDI board.